So clearly you have a clogged sink and you're watching this video to try to fix it. Before we get into the repair, if you're wondering whether you should do this yourself or hire it out, I did do a quick cost breakdown of what it would cost to do this yourself or hire it out and the benefits of it. If you're thinking about that, take a look at that video first and hopefully you'll feel better going into the repair. I strongly encourage anyone that's watching this video, you probably want to do it yourself already. You can do that. You have the skills. You just got to learn what tools to use, and it's pretty simple.
First tool we want to use is the plunger. Press firmly on the plunger when there's water in the sink. Next tool we want to use is the short snake. Using the snake can be a little tricky. It catches on the drain as it's being pushed down all the way, then pull out. Next tool we're going to try is the longer snake. Feed this long snake down through the drain as far as you can. It gets a little bit deeper and is a more thorough snake to use in the unclogging process. Last tool is the pipe wrench. Let's pause here for a second. You've used 3 tools thus far to take a look and try to fix your drain. This 4th tool here should not be used unless necessary. So if your drain is working fine after using the first 3 tools, I'd strongly suggest skipping this last step and be proud of the work that you did.
But before you go, please subscribe to this channel before you leave. All right, back to step 4.
Loosen the top and back nuts that hold this elbow. Slowly pull the elbow out because there's going to be water in it. Dump the water out and inspect it. Before reassembling, I like to use my phone flashlight and shine a light up from underneath. If you can see the light, you know the drain is clear. Reassemble the piping and the nuts should turn freely. If the nuts don't turn freely, stop, you're cross-threading. Loosen and retry. After you're done, check all the fittings, make sure they're snug, and then you're ready to start the water and test the drain. Water is flowing down the drain freely. Nice work. You can proudly say your drain is unclogged. You learned a new skill and saved your family money. Time to put the tools away and go have some fun.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you got what you wanted out of the video. That's my #1 goal. If that is the case, please like, comment, or subscribe. Sometimes making these videos, I feel like I'm shouting into a closet without any replies, so the feedback is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day.